Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for when you get old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you love seeing what people get in their Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. OMG, is this not the world's smallest Boxycharm box? One second. Here is a typical normal base box. Here is the box I got this month. Let's see. That is quite the difference. But size doesn't matter, or does it? Alright, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what I got in the May 2022 box. Although, I must say, even though this box is small, it didn't weigh as light as one might think. Was it heavy? No. But for the size, it seemed to weigh a little more than you would think. Now with Boxycharm, you do get a card. The theme this month is Super Bloom. I am iteration 1. I've never been iteration 1 before. Alright, let's see if that's a good thing or a bad thing. What is the first item? Oh, whatever it is, it's big for a small box and has some weight to it. Alright, so this is from the FARMACY, and it's the Honeymoon Glow Body. It has 12% AHA, BHA, and it's a resurfacing serum. Ooh, wait, for the body, so not the face. Probably explains why it's so big. This here is 140 ml. Alright, I don't know anything about this product, but I have some bumps on my knee that hopefully at 12%, that should be pretty good. This retails for $40. Alright, off to a good start. Next item. What do we have here? This packaging looks very familiar. This here is the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. It retails for, holy cow, 50 big ones. And why I say this looks familiar, I want to say I picked this up as an add-on. Oh, yes. I can tell from the cute little bubbly bits. Interesting that they would have something offered in add-ons and then put it in a box. And I want to say I picked this up 2-3 months ago. I'm wondering if this was a product that was offered in like a premium box or the luxe and is now making its way to the base box. Interesting. Have I used this product yet? I think I swatched it once in the video. Well, now I have a backup or something for a giveaway. Alright, next item. What do we have here? This is from Basic Beauty, and it's an eyeshadow primer. And this product retails for $18. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a little squeezy tube. It is not safety sealed, so let me do a little swatch. It's kind of a soft pink shade. Feels like it has silicone in it. You can't tell anything about an eyeshadow primer just by swatching it. So I will give it a try in the future. Alright, what else came in my box? What do we have here? This does look like a repeat item. This is from Lucky Chick, and it's a liquid eyeshadow. I swear I got this product, exact same shade, in last month's Ipsy. This is in Rose Quartz. Yes, coming back to me. Yep, here's the one I got. So I will swatch this one. This is beautiful. I just don't need 2 of them. Oh, old lady brain. Finally kicking into gear. This is the item they emailed me about. Well, they didn't tell me the item. They just gave me a $12 credit because they said I was getting a repeat item. And this was from last month, the April Boxycharm. Sorry, Ipsy. Okay, making sense now. All right, on to the last item. What is this? The packaging looks like, oh yeah, CIATÉ London. This here is the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. And I honestly don't remember which item I selected. Maybe this one? I don't know. Nothing's standing out to me. I'll have to look it up on the app. Let's do a swatch. By the way, this guy's tiny. Although I notice with cream blushes and liquid brushes, you usually don't get that much because a little bit goes a long way. All right, that little dot there, I bet it's still too much. Let's blend it out. Ooh, that's very soft. Very soft. Can you even see that? I barely can. All right, maybe I should have selected a darker shade. What does this retail for? The blush product from CIATÉ London retails for $22. All right, let's recap everything that came in my May 2022 box. I got a liquid eyeshadow, a cream blush, an eye primer, a serum, and a resurfacing body serum. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, now I understand why they use such a tiny box. These 3 items are itty bitty. I think normally I would be excited about this box. I got 3 makeup items, 2 skincare. I like everything. Well, I don't, this is beautiful. I don't reach for cream eyeshadows very often. But what's turning me off about this box a little bit is, one, I've already picked this up via add-ons. And this product straight up is a repeat from last month's Ipsy box. Am I crazy? Or that's why I'm a little, maybe it's time I give up Boxycharm. But they have such good pop-up sales. I have so many products though. I need to think long and hard about continuing getting so many beauty subscriptions, and particularly Boxycharm. Leave me your thoughts. Have you canceled and that's why you're watching because you're curious? Do you still get Boxycharm but are also on the fence about canceling? I don't know. I mean, I struggle because I have a beauty channel where I unbox things. So if I cancel it, then where am I at? But I also don't get PR. I don't have a large subscription base. So I pay for everything out of pocket. So that's where I'm like, I think it may be time. And I'll turn more into lots and lots of reviews of all of the existing products I own. I don't know. I'm struggling. Leave me your comments and let me know. Would you still watch me if I stopped unboxing Boxycharm? All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value for this box. I know it's already over $100 because the skincare items alone make it, what was it, $110? So your value is there. I don't know. I struggle. It's like, yeah, these are nice products. It's just I've been doing this for over 2 years and it's just not as good as it used to be. So maybe it's time to let the box go. Anyways, I appreciate anyone watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.